We are less than 48 hours before this weekend's winter storm hits, and you need to be prepared. We're helping you check off that to-do list. First up, remember to charge all your cell phones, those power banks, tablets, and rechargeable lanterns. You just forget how many things, Matthew, that we use that require chargers now instead of an actual battery.
Yeah.
And that's when things really start to hurt, when you have not prepared in that aspect and we lose power with this storm coming this weekend.
Yeah, absolutely. There'll definitely be several steps you have to take when charging those devices, especially going to the store. I'd say now is a good time to go to the store, get whatever you need to really hunker down for this weekend.
Weather those lines, because you're going to be weathering a lot more if you don't go.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Now is the time. And as we go towards this weekend, we have about 48 hours until we do see some of those first snowflakes as we go towards your Saturday afternoon. But temperatures right now, nice and calm. Mid-30s, not too bad out there for you as we kind of call this the calm before the storm. Temperatures feel like temperatures are just into the lower 30s, with those winds just northwest at 6 miles per hour. Give you a look at satellite and radar for this afternoon. Looking pretty clear, honestly. Some nice sunshine out there. Now, as we really widen the pitch out and show you where this system is as of right now, it's just off the coast of California, but it is expected to make its way further east and develop as probably a blockbuster winter storm for this weekend. So right back here at home, though, high temperatures today will be into the upper 30s. It will overall be a calm day, but as we go towards your Friday, that's when we'll see those cold temperatures roll through. We're talking temperatures even into the single digits possibly for your Saturday morning. So it'll really be a cold start to the day, and that'll only help some of those snow totals we'll likely see throughout the day. So as we start to see some of those snow showers by about 7 p.m., we're talking temperatures will be into the low teens, even closer to the single digits as that snow begins to fall. So those weather headlines to break it down for you. Today, honestly, a mild day. Won't see too much issues out there for you for today, but it's Friday that turns very cold. And of course, for the weekend, we've been talking about it, this winter storm expected to roll through for us. So some of those alerts we have active right now is a winter storm watch. That will be in effect until 7 a.m. Monday for, honestly, our entire area and most of Kentucky for this weekend ahead. So that weather impact alert day issued for Saturday and Sunday for some accumulating snow and honestly some very poor travel and along with some cold temperatures. So really going to be a 1-2 punch. And here's the setup for you. So we're going to see that cold Arctic blast air roll in for your Friday, well into Saturday, bringing some cold air down to our area. But that's just one part of this system that's rolling through. It's also the moisture from the Gulf that's going to really creep into our area as we go towards your Friday into Saturday to bring some moist air. That's definitely going to help some of those snow totals come up anywhere possibly from 8 to 12, even higher snow totals going towards your Saturday. So let's time it out for you. We'll start this off Friday at 6 p.m. Rolling through Friday, you're honestly pretty good. It's Saturday that we're going to watch. We're going to see some clouds roll in and look at those temperatures, 8 degrees in Louisville, and we'll continue to see those clouds roll in. I'd say about 2 p.m., 1 to 2 p.m., we'll start to see some of those first snowflakes out there for your Saturday. That continues as we go towards the overnight hours, and we really start to see a lot of this snow start to fill in by about 11 p.m. on Saturday. That continues well into overnight into Sunday, and see that pink on our futurecast here. That's actually sleet and ice. We'll start to see some of that mixed in throughout our most southern counties, so Columbia, Campbellsville, and Munfordville, going towards at least your overnight back into Sunday. So as we continue this with our futurecast with the European model, Saturday 7 p.m., that continues well into a Sunday and into at least the afternoon hours. And like I told you, that pink you see right there is the sleet and ice. You don't want that. You want more snow than ice, because that's when we really start to see some very slick travel heading towards your Sunday. We still likely will see some snow possible even into overnight hours Sunday into Monday. So here it is for you, those snow totals. We're looking at 8 to 12 inches of mostly snow throughout the Louisville metro, but possibly higher, even snow plus sleet in places further south into Campbellsville and Munfordville, 6 to 12 inches, but into southern Indiana, still a pretty impactful snow event with 4 to 8 inches into southern Indiana. So give you a look at that 7-day forecast. Thursday and Friday, rather quiet, but do have weather impact alert days from Saturday to Wednesday with the impact of this winter storm rolling through for your Saturday into the weekend. By Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we'll continue to see cold temperatures, overnight lows into the single digits. We'll send it back over to you, Brooke.